We all love to travel. The excitement of packing your bags, the anticipation of new experiences, and the joy of exploring unknown places. It's a feeling like no other. New places, new people, new adventures. Every journey brings a unique story, a chance to immerse yourself in different cultures, and an opportunity to create unforgettable memories. It's exciting. But travel can be tough on your body. Long flights can leave you feeling cramped and exhausted. Different foods might be a delight for your taste buds, but can be a challenge for your digestive system. It's easy to lose track of your fitness. The change in routine, the temptation of delicious local cuisine, and the lack of familiar workout spaces can make it hard to stay active. This guide is your travel buddy. It's designed to help you navigate the challenges of staying fit while on the go. With a little planning and the right mindset, you can maintain your health and energy levels. We'll explore simple ways to stay fit and healthy on the road. From quick workouts you can do in your hotel room to finding local spots for a refreshing jog or yoga session. Whether you're a thrill seeker, leisure jet setter, or business professional, these tips will keep you going strong. No matter where your travels take you, staying active is possible and can even enhance your travel experience. Get ready to conquer your next adventure. Embrace the journey with a healthy body and a vibrant spirit. The world is out there waiting for you, and with these tips, you'll be ready to take it on. Your body will thank you. By staying active and mindful of your health, you'll not only enjoy your travels more, but also return home feeling rejuvenated and accomplished. Traveling often means breaking our routines. We eat out more, indulging in local cuisines and treats. We might sleep less, adjusting to new time zones and packed schedules. Our regular workouts can slip away as we prioritize sightseeing and meetings over our fitness. The hotel gym might be empty, and our running shoes might gather dust next to our suitcase. But staying fit on the road is easier than you think. You can find creative ways to incorporate exercise into your travel routine. Jogging in a city park, doing yoga on a hotel balcony, or hiking on a scenic trail can be both enjoyable and invigorating. Small changes make a big difference. Pack your sneakers so you're always ready for a quick workout. Choose stairs over elevators to keep your legs moving. Even simple exercises like push-ups in your hotel room can keep you active. Remember, staying active keeps you energized. Stretching on a hotel balcony, doing jumping jacks in a park, or jogging on a beach can boost your mood and energy levels. You'll enjoy your trip more when you feel your best. A quick workout can refresh your mind and body, making your sightseeing adventures more enjoyable. Ready to explore? Let's go! With a little effort, you can maintain your fitness and make the most of your travels. So, pack your gear, stay active, and enjoy every moment of your journey. Packing light doesn't mean leaving fitness behind. Your suitcase can be your gym. Pack a jump rope. It's small but mighty. Resistance bands are great for a full body workout. Remember, body weight exercises are your friend. Planks, lunges, crunches, no equipment needed. Get creative. Use your surroundings. A chair becomes a step platform. The world is your gym. Business or pleasure, fitness is a treasure. Business trips can be hectic. Back-to-back meetings, long flights, room service temptations. But you can stay on top of your fitness game. Choose hotels with gyms. Even a quick 30-minute workout helps. Take the stairs. Skip the elevator, it's a mini workout. Walk during calls. Instead of sitting, walk around. Your body and mind will thank you. Fueling your adventures. Food for the road. Food is fuel. It's important to eat healthy while traveling to stay energized. Don't worry, you can still enjoy new cuisines. Choose fresh foods. Fruits, vegetables, salads. They're packed with nutrients. Pack healthy snacks. Nuts, granola bars, fruit. Keep them handy to avoid unhealthy temptations. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is crucial, especially when you're on the go. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, stay strong. Staying hydrated is key, especially when you're traveling. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and headaches, not fun for an adventure. Always carry a reusable water bottle. Refill it whenever you can. Airport, hotel, restaurant, ask for water. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. Listen to your body, conquer every journey. Traveling can be tiring, jet lag, long days, new environments. It's okay to take it easy. Listen to your body, rest when you need to. Don't push yourself too hard. Start slow and gradually increase your activity level. Enjoy the journey, don't make it a race. Adventure on, make fitness your travel buddy. So there you have it. Simple tips to stay fit and healthy while you explore the world. Remember, every step counts. Every healthy choice matters. Make fitness your travel buddy. We invite you to share this video with others who might be interested. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Thank you for joining us on Healthy You. And until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.